Alrighty guys, I've got a pretty good one for you today. This is a 2023 Dodge Durango, and it's pretty scratched up, fairly deep, not deep enough to fill. I'm fairly confident that just using my Dremel and my rotary sander, we can knock that out. So let's see what kind of job we can do for our guys today. You can see I use my Dremel to knock down those real deep scratches, and then we'll sand it. This is just a Dremel you can buy from Walmart. All right, let's bust out our rotary sander. All right, let's clean it off. Okay, for all the uber professional, gotta have it perfect, showroom quality people that are out there, I do these real quick on a car lot. So I'm taking an oily rag and I'm wiping it down and getting all the dust off really good. And then I'll wipe it down with a solvent, and then I'll put my cards on, my deck of cards. If you're new here, you'll see in just a second. Then I'll spray and I'll paint. So I've got all my cards in place, enough past the repair that I can blend on each side. For all you who chat me about covering behind the rim, there's some plastic over the caliper and rotor, just a plastic bag from anywhere. I'm using my secret sauce. There's a video I have called Oops, the Secret is Out. If you want to know what this is, go check that out and how you can get it. So one good coat, one quick coat. We'll let that dry and we'll clear coat. All right, ready for clear coat. Now I personally take the cards off so that I don't build up so much on my cards. When I need to, or if I feel I need to, I will leave the cards on there, but personally, I take them off. If you feel like leaving them on, help yourself. Alright, there's our first coat of clear coat. Let's let that dry in the sun, and I'll probably do one more. Make it look good as new. Right, so one more. We'll let that set out here in the sun. Now, we're good as new. Ready for the lot. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. We'll see you next time.